All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the part that we got for you today. This is the ibuildracecars.com upper and lower TGV deletes, or the complete TGV delete. So this is all it is. If you guys are familiar with the WRX performance world, you guys pretty much are familiar with what this part is. So let me just get this out of the box, and then we'll see if we can install this in the car today. Alright, this is what we got in the box. Let's go ahead and check it out. Looks like I got some hardware. And then here we go. So let's go ahead and take these out of the package. Alright, there you go. Check it out. So the question is, why should I get one of these one-piece TGV deletes if I already have TGV deletes installed on my car? Well, if you don't have TGV deletes, this is the factory TGV, and as you can see, there's a huge difference. So the aftermarket one right here, and this is the factory one. You can see those butterfly valves, which apparently these are a big restriction in airflow, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that, yep, those butterfly valves really do restrict airflow. And these are completely open, and you can just see the big difference when it comes to airflow right there. And this also replaces the lower portion, which is the plastic part, which has dividers in the middle. So more airflow, more power, I guess. I've seen dynos of these, and we're talking about 15 to 30 horsepower depending on your supporting mods, but I don't know, we'll see. There goes one. Now trying to do the other side. So before I install the one-piece TGV deletes, I'm just curious to see how dirty or clean my valves are right now. It's been about 24,000 miles since I had it cleaned last. I'll put a link up here to the video where we clean my valves with Subaru Bros. But let's take a look. Look at these dividers. You can see there is some carbon on there. And there's the other one. Got the first one in there. Didn't even take that long. Alright, so you're going to reuse your OEM hardware for the bottom ones. And I think they gave you new hardware for the top. Of course, you want to do everything by hand first. You know, you don't want to get busy with your tool. You don't want to strip out the head. That's gonna be, you're gonna be in big trouble. So this right here is the OEM unit, and you can just see just how restrictive that is with those plates in there. And also at the bottom, it also has those dividers. The dividers inside the cylinders, I took those out also, if you guys are wondering. And then here's your traditional TGV deletes. As you can see, there is a difference as far as flow. You don't have that plate there. But the one piece just eliminates all that restriction that's in there. It takes out that middle divider and takes out those plates, so you're going to see a dramatic increase in flow, which in turn is going to help your tuner create more power. I will say, totally happy with the mod. I still am in the retuning process, so I can't give you final impressions as far as the power increase. So this is an e-tune. This is not a dyno tune. I wish I could show you the before and after dyno videos, but that's not something I have right now. So now keep in mind, I am pretty much full bolt-ons on flex fuel. I really shouldn't be on E85 right now because I need a new clutch. But yeah, the power increase is there, you know. So these guys were not lying. These one-piece TGV deletes actually do work. So I highly recommend this mod if you're looking for a little bit more power. And also there is one more thing to note that I realized. So this is my OEM TGVs. Now this, I did not have an air oil separator or EGR delete, and you can just see all those carbon deposits. So this has around like 20,000 miles, if that. Now this one right here, I cleaned it when I got my valves cleaned, and this also has around 20,000 miles. As you can see, there's no deposits right there. This pretty much stayed clean. So this just proves a point that an AOS and EGR delete does work. So you can see the difference right there. Look at all that dirt or carbon, and look at all that. That one's still nice and clean. So in closing, I just want to say this is definitely worth the money if you're looking for power. I say you just skip the regular TGV deletes and just go with the one-piece TGV deletes right off the bat. With the tune that my tuner gave me, and along with these TGV deletes, I can definitely feel a power upgrade, especially down low and up top. So if you're looking for it, check it out, ibuildracecars.com. Keep in mind, this is not a sponsored part. I paid for this all by myself. And yeah, look into it. Don't take my word for it, but I suggest you try it out for yourself. And that is it. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out.